Wow, you're getting that cup all sandy? Yeah. All right, we're at Carpinteria Beach. Feels a little like, it almost feels a little humid, huh?
A little, but it's chilly. It's overcast.
I feel warm actually. Probably because I've been chasing him. So it's probably like, yeah, it's overcast. It's kind of
nice. It's a nice day.
Well, not the best beach weather.
Yeah.
It's probably like,
but
I don't know.
better than 100 degrees sunny weather.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that's back at home, but
wow, that's a crap.
you know, when it's 100 degrees back at home, we think, oh, we'll go to the beach and it'll be like in the 80s, but it's even cooler at the beach than we thought.
That's a good idea. Let's see if we can
And it feels a little humid
these,
too.
Let's see what kind of birds these are. These are called...
So this beach, Carpinteria, is between Ventura and Santa Barbara, as a matter of fact. And Hunter really just likes taking a scooter along the beach path here with his little Spider-Man helmet. He also has a Lightning McQueen helmet, but that he wanted to wear, but we haven't taken the tag off of it yet. Yeah, be careful, Hunter, because I don't want you to fall off the bridge, right? We don't want to do that.
Maybe I do this.
Maybe you do that. Look at that vehicle, Hunter. It's like a golf cart, a little beach cart. It's got surfboard on top.
Surfboard.
Right?
You can down.
Yeah, see, I told you it doesn't.
Yeah, you can't do it in the sand. Do you like these purple flowers, Hunter?
Yeah.
They're cool, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think cyclists would go on here. Right? It's too narrow. I think. Okay, Hunter.
We go.
It's plants.
Let's go.
You want to go back?
Let's go down this way then.
Look at these dogs. You know what, Hunter? Why don't you just stay to the side and let the doggies pass by us, okay?
Okay, so let's
Stay right here and let's look at this sign.
Read what this is. Oh, look, it's a bee, a honeybee.
Like the bee?
Nah.
Say hi, yeah. Hi, dogs. Hi, people.
Cute ones.
So to go to Carpinteria, we like to park on this street called Linden, which there's free parking there. Street parking if you can find it. We found a spot really close to the beach. So really got to keep up with Hunter when he's on a scooter. Like if he gets like a 5-10 second head start, it is really hard to catch up with them, which can be dangerous, you know, if there's cars and stuff or cyclists. Okay. Good braking.
Welcome to the Carpinteria State Beach Base.
Oh, this is the paid parking lot, I suppose. But then we got street parking for free. Hunter, be careful. Yeah, good braking. You got to brake going downhill. Because Hunter, think about it. Oh, look at that helicopter. Maybe it's got to airlift somebody. Or maybe there's a boat stranded.
I think it is a rescue one because his lights were flashing.
Yeah.
Yeah, emergency.
Emergency.
Yeah.
What do you think about that? You like flying objects.
Are you an emergency scooter?
Oh.
Okay, are y'all done?
you want to play in the sand now?
Yeah, should we play in the
Don't-
sun?
no, no.
Should we go to the beach now?
No.
You want to keep scootering?
Go backwards. Go backwards.
That's gonna be difficult.
Go backwards.
Yeah, thanks.
The other car. Oh, I feel good.
So good.
You good?
It's nice, right? It's not
I
too
do it.
hot.
Well,
Okay,
but look, you
remember,
can't,
we
you
can't
can't.
scoot over there because the sand is very difficult for you to scooter.
I do it.
Oh.
So it's moving very slowly. Hunter, can I please take your scooter and your helmet?
I do it.
Put it away.
I do it.
Well, but why though? Yeah, I see that you do that. He's drifting. Can you understand, please? Here's Hunter, insisting on dragging his scooter to the beach. Sand's pretty nice and soft here. This is nice. Hunter, do you know why the cones are here? The cones are here because this is where a vehicle might drive. See, the vehicle might come from the street over there and up that little street and come on here and drive between these cones, okay? So, you know, we got to be mindful about that. Remember we saw that little cart earlier driving on the beach? I think he was driving between the cones here. So, yeah, so that's why, yeah, we shouldn't camp out here. We should get closer to the water over this way. Or do you want to go over there?
I walk.
It doesn't work?
Yeah.
Why?
I stuck.
It's stuck?
Watch this. Maybe I do it.
Maybe you'll get the sand out that way?
Maybe sand. Go. Maybe sand. Go.
No, don't throw it in the dirt. You'll break it. All right, Hunter, let's go find Mommy and Carson. Is Ash on it? Okay, let's go. Yeah, come on, let's go. Told you to wear shoes. Where do you see Mommy and Carson anywhere? Let's see. Okay, I see them. They're over there. Hunter, come on. Let's go. You guys are kind of close to the tide.
Yeah, I just popped down, so.
All right, we got towels.
Okay, let's go further back.
Yeah. Wow, you're getting that cup all sandy? Yeah. What are you eating, Hunter? Goldfish?
Yeah.
They're the extra cheesy goldfish, I believe. Oh, there's a stroller out there, huh? There's waves. You see that guy? Yeah, like boarding out there. It's cool, huh? So we decided to put Carson in this like onesie. It looks more like jammies, but we figured to keep the sand out of off his body. But the thing is, the sand, man, it's really hard to get out of Carson's hair, you know, because it's really like fine, like baby hair, you know. It just really just like takes over his scalp. You want goldfish? I think is there snacks for Carson?
Well, I grabbed this first.
Is this the only snacks we have? There's more in the car, right?
I got more.
Yeah, the car's right over there. Carson, you're all sandy. Carson, look, I'm gonna bury your feet. Should I bury your feet? There's Daddy's camera. You see the water out there? You see the water out there? Nice water. This is your brother's scooter that he loves. So Caroline and Hunter went to go get some food for us and bring it back. Hunter and I played with his cars for a while. Dug a little pool where the tide was, made a little tide pool. What, Hunter? Seaweed? Yeah. Some seaweed, huh? Oh, don't drop lightning, Hunter. The water can take them away. Like the water, Carson? Cool, huh? All right, now we're back in our town where it's scorching hot, 100 degrees. No Chick-fil-A. All right, that's good. All right, thank you. You are demolishing these. What do they call them here? Chicken minis?
Chick-fil-A nuggets.
Chick-fil-A nuggets? Good snack. You didn't eat very much at the beach. You didn't eat anything actually at the beach, Hunter. Now you're really hungry. You like them too, Carson?
Yeah,
I know.
it's mandarins.
Mandarin orange, yummy. You want to do cheese? What do you see over there? What? You see pictures? There's a family up there eating their Chick-fil-A. What's what? That's the outside. This used to be a play place. Now I think it's their office.
Look at this doggy. Are you cute, baby?
Oh, is there a baby over there? It looks like Carson, you think?
Yeah. Look cute.
Cute baby.
Oh.